Hi viewers, welcome back to Azra and Afra in Wonderland. So today we are going to make a crispy and crunchy evening snacks, which is banana chips. It is so famous all around Kerala and it's loved by the kids. So let's get started. For this recipe, we need raw bananas. The quantity depends on your choice. Slice off the skin. Add salt 2 teaspoons and 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. 300 ml of water. After ripening of the skin of the banana, it looks like this. Heat the oil in a kadhai and add in a banana like shown. Keep the flame in medium. You can use a grater to make the banana cuts easy. Add in the salt mixture for 4 to 5 teaspoons. Or you can add it depending on your taste. Fry until the bubbles disappear. Take out the chips when brown and crispy like shown. Repeat the same process. When you're adding the salt mixture, next time just pour 2 to 3 teaspoons only. Now our banana chips are ready. Come, let's taste it.
The Kerala style chips is ready, so let's taste it. The banana chips were so yummy and tasty. Try it in your home, you will like it. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment, ring the bell for notification. Bye!
We love enjoying and eating our banana chips. My siblings and cousins too fighted for these chips because it's so tasty, crunchy and super crispy. Do not forget to press the subscribe button and click the bell icon near it. Do like this video and share it with your friends and family. See you in the next video. Bye!